It's a beautiful day today here in Miami. Driving the GR Corolla. Oh man, what's that sound? Not that again. Oh, drive me nuts. Gotta do something about that. How do we do this? First we download the Carista app. That's this one right here. We get this prompt. We get the Carista USB OBD2 port connector. Goes right into, it lights up when you have it plugged in. Alright, so here we go. Alright. We're going to pick our OBD device. Alright, so here we go. We're going to customize, unlock hidden features. Alright, dings and warnings. That's exactly where I want to go. When your doors open with the headlights on, seatbelt warning, driver enabled. Alright, here we go. We're going to disable that. Save. This son of a buck is asking for money now. Everything. Free 1 month trial because you have the adapter. 3 month subscription. 1 month $9.99. I'll get the 1 month. Alright, that one was disabled. Now we're going to do the passenger side. Disabled. Agree. And that's it. We can do a rear as well. I think I'll do the rear. And for the rear passenger side as well. And they also have a rear center passage disabled. All right, that's all it took. I see you have some other stuff over here. Nah, don't worry about any of that. All right, so there you have it. Had to pay $9.99 for a subscription once a month. I'm going to, of course, unsubscribe after the month. So for the cost of the OBD adapter, the actual phone app is free, and the $9.99 subscription, which you cancel after the first month. There you have it. Hope you enjoy it. Enjoy your new Corolla. GR.